I know. They were all shoveling to go to Safeway.
I guess they need milk.
Wow, that's your first guess.
Guys, today we are showing you our outfits of the day. So today I'm wearing these beautiful purple snow boots. Let me show you the best part. Oh, look at that fur. It's real.
Where?
My childhood. And then I'm wearing overalls that are a bit too small for me, but it's okay. They still fit, right? And then I'm wearing, okay, under this, I am wearing a thermal. I'm in my sister's vlog right now. And then I'm wearing a long sleeve. And then I'm wearing an that's it. That's private information. You don't need to know when you go to school. And then I'm wearing
Instagram stuff. Oh, actually, I took it out.
And then I'm wearing a sweater, a pullover, exact. And then I'm wearing another.
It's like snow.
And then I'm wearing what is this called? A raincoat. Yeah. Woo! It's a blizzard. And I'm wearing a North Face over top.
Whenever it snows, it has good lighting.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a selfie later. I'm wearing a hat from, I don't know, I think it might be what? Or Charlie Lewis. I think it's Charlie Lewis.
National Geographic here, searching for polar bears. We're in Antarctica. Yeah, it must be really windy.